Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. The recipe I bring to you today is a paneer recipe with a unique flavor and taste for all you paneer lovers out there. That is Kadai Paneer in restaurant style. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Let's start with marinating our paneer. I have taken 250 grams of paneer cut into cubes. I shall be adding 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and the juice of half a lime. Mix it lightly and set it aside for 10 to 12 minutes to marinate. Place a pan on the stove and light the gas. Pour in a teaspoon of oil and let it warm up. I'll be adding half a cup of bell peppers cut into squares. Saute it on medium flame. Add half a cup of onion petals cut into squares and saute it for around a minute more. Transfer the sauteed veggies to a bowl. Now pour a tablespoon of oil into the pan. Add the whole spices, 4 cardamom, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 10 to 15 peppercorns and 1 inch stick of cinnamon. Add 2 roughly chopped onions. Continue on medium flame till it starts to change a little color. Now I'll be adding around 8 cloves of garlic and 1 inch piece of ginger roughly chopped, a green chili cut into 2. We shall add 2 tomatoes roughly chopped. Stir it and let the tomato cook till it is soft and mushy. Turn off the gas and allow the mixture to cool down. Transfer it to a mixie jar. I will be adding half a teaspoon of salt. Now I shall grind it to a fine paste. Place a pan on the stove and light the gas. Keep the flame on medium. Put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Now we shall fry our paneer on medium flame till it gets a light golden color on all sides. Our paneer has turned slightly brown. Transfer it into a bowl. Now we shall start making our restaurant style kadai paneer. Place a kadai on the stove and light the gas. Keep the flame on medium. I shall be pouring 4 tablespoons of oil into the kadai. I will be adding 2 pieces of bay leaf, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Give it a nice stir. Add the mixture which I had ground. Mix well. Place a lid on the kadai and allow the gravy to simmer for 2 minutes. I shall now add our sauteed veggies. Add the fried paneer and half a teaspoon of salt. Adjust the salt as per your taste, as I have already added salt to the marination and ground mixture. If you find the gravy thick, you can add 1/4 cup of warm water to it. Now I shall add half a teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Give it a nice stir. As the gravy is a bit thick, I am adding 1/4 cup of warm water. Place the lid and allow it to simmer on a low flame for 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream to it and a teaspoon of chopped coriander. Our restaurant style Kadhai Paneer is ready. I shall place the lid and turn off the gas. It can be served with a variety of roti, naan and rice or pulao. Do try this recipe at home for your loved ones and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.